Here are 3 tips when you're going out on the weekend to open inspections that can really help you get a deal done. First of all, you're not only there to see the house, you're there to assess the competition. Have a look at how many people come through the open, look at how many people are asking questions to the agent, taking offer forms, get a real picture for how much interest is in the property. The second thing you want to do is always ask the agent what the process is. Every agent works differently. Is it one offer, best and final, in and done, or will you get a second opportunity to have a chat to the agent and work out what your best and final offer is? And thirdly, make sure you're organised. Have your building inspector worked out, make sure your finance is organised, and have your conveyancer ready to go to review the documents before you make your offer. It'll help you because it'll shorten the time for you to get organised and make sure that you can get everything sorted so you make the best offer possible so you got the best chance of getting the property. There you go. Hope that helps out and have a successful weekend.